Children, let us begin with the exercise of lesson number 3, nouns type, which is on page number 18. Okay, so let us start with exercise number 1. See exercise number 1, filling the blanks with common and proper nouns given below. One has been done for you. You have to fill in the blanks from the bracket. Okay, you have to see the words from the bracket, and according to that only you have to filling these blanks. Okay, so let us start with it. Today is Sunday. Sunday is a proper noun. Okay, so S will be capital. We are at the zoo. See children, zoo is a common noun, so Z is in a small letter. Okay. There are many animals in the zoo. Again, animal is a common noun, so A, small alphabet. Okay. The lion is sleeping in cage. His name is Leo. Here Leo is a proper noun, so L will be capital. The zookeeper, Mr. Johnson, comes with his food. Mr. Johnson is a proper noun, so M capital and J also capital. Leo wakes up with a roar and scared little girls and boys like me away. Girls and boys both are common noun. Okay children, now let's begin with exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, tick write the correct common noun for the proper noun given below. First one, Riya. Riya, who is Riya? Riya is a person. Yes. So here a first one is person, then animal, object and place. So Riya is a person, so we have to tick on person. Next is Wednesday. Wednesday, what is Wednesday? Person, building, day or object. Wednesday is a day, so common noun is day. Okay children. Third one you see, Ganga, object, place, river, mountain. Ganga is a river, so we have to tick on river. Fourth one you see, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who is Mahendra Singh Dhoni children? Yes, he is a cricketer, so we have to tick on cricketer. Next is Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times is the name of a newspaper. Yes, so you have to tick on newspaper. And last is Delhi. Delhi is the name of a city. Yes children, so you have to tick on city. Now look exercise number 3. Here circle the proper noun and underline the common noun in the following sentences. Okay, so let's begin with the first sentence. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life. Here, Earth and solar system are proper nouns. So, we are going to circle Earth and solar system. Okay, planet is a common noun. So, we have to underline on planet. Let's turn our page children. Page number 20, same exercise. Second sentence you see, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So here Shah Jahan is a proper noun, so we are going to circle it. Taj Mahal again proper noun and Mumtaz Mahal is also a proper noun. So we are going to underline Shah Jahan, Taj Mahal and Mumtaz Mahal. Sorry, we are going to circle it. Yes. Shah Jahan, Taj Mahal and Mumtaz Mahal. We are going to circle this. And wife. Wife is a common noun, so we are going to underline it. Next one you see, Rabindranath Tagore is a famous poet who is known for his book Gitanjali. Rabindranath Tagore is a proper noun, so we are going to circle it. The name of the book is Gitanjali. So Gitanjali is a proper noun. Okay children. So Rabindranath Tagore and Gitanjali, we have to circle this. And poet. Poet is a common noun and book is also a common noun. So poet and book we have to underline. Next sentence you see, Allahabad is a city famous for its 3 rivers. Here Allahabad is the name of a city. So Allahabad is a proper noun. So we have to circle it. City and rivers are common nouns. So we are going to underline it. Next sentence, the police caught the thief which stole the diamond. The police caught the thief who stole the diamonds. So police is a common noun, thief is a common noun, and diamond is also a common noun. So we are going to underline it. Next one you see, the Vedas are ancient books of knowledge. Here Vedas are proper noun. So we are going to circle it, and books are again common noun. So we are going to underline it. Under exercise number 4, page number 21. Write the collective nouns for the following. Choose words from the box given below. Here we have to fill in the blanks with the collective noun, and boxes given from the bracket we have to write the words. First one, a batch of bread. Many bread together, it is known as batch. Okay, batch of bread. A pod of peas. A bunch of bananas. Okay, group of bananas is known as bunch. A school of fish, a collection or you can say group of fish is known as a school of fish. A pride of lions, a group of lions are known as a pride of lion. You can see the picture also over here. An army of ants, group of ants or you can say collection of ants, okay, are known as army. An army of ants. A class of students, a collection of students is known as a class of students. A litter of dogs, group of dogs are known as litter. A constellation of stars, group of stars are known as constellation. Okay children, let's move with exercise number 5. Pick out the nouns in the following sentences. Write whether they are common, proper or collective nouns in the given space. So children, here we have to read the sentences. In the sentence we have to recognize the noun and we have to see whether it is a common noun or a proper noun or a collective noun. Okay, just see how I have written over here. Same way you can write in the textbook because space is less. Okay, so you can underline the noun and on the top of it or on down, anyway. Wherever you feel it is convenient, you can write there. Wherever is the space in your textbook, there you can write. Okay. First one you see, I saw the Taj Mahal last year. So Taj Mahal is a noun. So we have to underline it. And what kind of noun, which type of noun it is? Taj Mahal is a proper noun. So you write proper noun on top of it or below it. Okay. Second one you see, Sam broke the vase. Sam, underline Sam because it's a noun. So Sam is a proper noun and vase is a common noun. Number 3. King Solomon was a good ruler. King Solomon, again he is a proper noun because it's a name of a king. Okay, so proper noun. And ruler, ruler is a common noun. Next you see, a committee of 5 was appointed. Committee, it's a name of a group. So committee is a collective noun. So you underline on committee and write collective noun over there. We saw a fleet of ships in the harbor. So fleet is a group of ships. Okay, so fleet is the name of a group of ships. So fleet is a collective noun, ships are common noun and harbor is also a common noun. Last sentence you see children, London is on the river Thames. London is a proper noun. See, I did not have space on the top, that's why I have kept an arrow and I wrote it down over here. So this way also you can write. Okay, London is a proper noun and river Thames is also a proper noun. So both words you underline and you write proper noun beside them. Okay children, with this we have completed exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise 4 and exercise number 5 in the textbook. Same way you write the exercises in the textbook and complete your textbook. Okay, thank you.